Hi there and welcome to a new tutorial here from rackmedia.com with Dino Redwell. In today's video I will be showing you how to synchronize your phone with your car audio system and play music. Before you can synchronize using the aux here, you should first pair your device or your mobile phone. To do so, you just click on phone. Next, we select, make sure that Bluetooth is on, check it, and click on select phone. As you can see here, there are no phones. Next, we need to turn on Bluetooth on our mobile device. So just activate Bluetooth. That's it. Wait a few seconds.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bluetooth is activated. Let's go back to mobile phone. Next you need to head on to Bluetooth parameters or configuration. Try to search for available devices. Wait a few seconds until your mobile can search for new devices. As you can see, it has got it, available devices. Let's click on it.
Veuillez saisir maintenant sur votre téléphone portable le code PIN qui s'affiche sur l'écran de votre autoradio.
So as you can see here, there are code in order to pair our Bluetooth device. So we need to type in the code, which is 8324. You can allow here access to your contacts and call history in order to reuse your devices. Okay.
Veuillez saisir maintenant sur votre téléphone portable le code PIN qui s'affiche sur l'écran de votre autoradio.
Make sure you allow access to contacts and call history in order to be able to use the call history in your car system. So 0305, okay, and click on OK. That's it. So pair is complete. Let's check now. As you can see, we have more options now. We can dial number, enter any number you like in here and call. Okay. Next you can radio call, which you have called before, call list, and etc. So you can select phone. This is our phone. So can be selected, activating phone. Yes, as you can see, the phone is now synchronized and activated. You can turn it off, you can still use your repertoire. So let's head on to phone, call list, message calls. Let's check. And voila, as you can see, there are, here is your message call. Okay, just click on the number and you can dial it directly. That's it, how you can use your phone. You can put away your phone and just use it from the car. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com
Bye for now. See you next video.